Hi, I'm James from Test and Tag Supplies. Let's have a quick look at an unboxing of a Trisan S8. So I've got my Trisan S8 here. You can see it's supplied in this Pelican case. So a really hardy box. That's a genuine Pelican case that it's built into. And on the other side, we've got our space for putting in our batteries. Now the Trisan is both battery operated or mains operated, but you will require batteries in the tester when you're doing portable RCD testing to retain the result. We've got here some accessories that it gets supplied with. So we've got our earth test lead and crocodile clip. We've got our IEC lead for testing extension leads and our all-important mains cable. Let's open up the instrument and have a look inside. So we'll just flip it open. I've already pre-installed the batteries in here and we're just going to turn it on by pressing the start button. Now let's have a look at the fascia here. We've got two sockets. A bit unusual for an appliance tester. Most only have one outlet socket. The Trisans are different. We've got two sockets. One's for insulation and earth continuity testing, the other's for leakage testing. Trisan believe that if you're doing leakage testing, you shouldn't be relying on an earth that's switched, so the second socket has a permanently wired earth for extra safety. We've also got two ports for the earth return lead, one for earth continuity and insulation testing, and the other for class 2 tests when you're performing a leakage test. We've then got a figure of 8 cable adapter, an IEC C6 adapter, and our IEC return port for extension leads. Now, mains power comes in through this IEC port, and as I mentioned, it doesn't charge the batteries, but it can be powered entirely off mains or used on battery operation. Now let's have a quick look through the menus. We've got a button for lead tests, a button for earth continuity tests, a button for double insulation tests, and the Trisan is one of the very few appliance testers, only Trisan offer the feature, which has got the optional check connect feature to ensure that double insulated tests are carried out correctly with the probe connected to accessible metal parts, and that's usually used in conjunction with a cloak or some kind of conductive surround. We've got another appliance menu button. If we press that, we can go through the menu. And I won't take you through every test there, but we've got 250 volt testing options, Class 1 and Class 2 leakage testing options, EPOD testing, and even a MIMS test for mineral insulated metal sheaths. Let's plug in a lead and do a quick test. So I've got my IEC lead that I can use for this just to show the extension lead test. I'm going to plug it in like so and into the earth continuity, insulation and polarity socket. And one of the nice features here, you'll see that if I select the leads test, the socket that needs to be used is actually flashing, so I know which one to plug it into by the selection I've made. Now I'll connect that up and just press the start button. And the Trisan S8 has one of the fastest extension lead tests in the business. It will go straight through the test. You won't see the values appearing on screen. It will give me an unambiguous pass or fail at the end of the test. If it fails, it shows you the failure value, but if it passes, a straight pass. Let's press the start button and watch it in action. And pass, and I'm ready to move on to my next appliance. So that's a quick rundown of the Trisan S8 and its testing features and case.